Yes. So all the technique needed to play stuff like that, I learned from watching drum videos online. So online videos have helped my drumming drastically. I mean, I used to sound like this. So yes, you can learn to play drums online, and I want to help you do it. So what made a world of difference for me was improving my hand technique. And it's not difficult to improve your hands, but it does require consistency. And it can be so hard to stay consistent when you're not sure if the things you're working on are actually helping. Right? So this is where I can guide you because like I said, I've watched lots and lots of online drum videos. There are some that are good, some that are not so good. Well, I've packaged everything that helped me out, that led to massive improvements into a course that I call the Better Hands course. Right? In the Better Hands course, there are step-by-step modules that help you know what you should be working on with your hands. And then I show you how to translate those things to the drum set, right? There's a lot that we do on a drum pad, but I always show you how to translate that to the drum set. So the goal is to give you the hand technique tools that will allow you to play whatever you want on the drum set and have it sound good, right? So I offer a full free trial of the course. I don't hold back any of the modules, so check that out. Whether you're a beginner or you've been playing for years with no lessons, I'm betting the course will help you see big time improvements. Check out the free content on my site. Check out my YouTube channel where I publish YouTube videos regularly. And, I just can't stress enough how much the content in this course helped my drumming. I'm excited for it to help you in the same way.